Other equipment and facilities that can be seen and utilized in BU Open University are the enrollment data for the past 18 years are as follows. BU Open University has also produced several graduates over the past decade.
Bicol University Open University has a designated Student Affairs and Services Coordinator who monitors all students' virtual and physical co-curricular and extracurricular engagements. There is also an established Student Council, a recognized college-based organization in the university, which provides support to co-distance education learners. The presence of organization in every program contributes to the holistic formation of the Open University students. These are Guild of English Masters for English, MPA Student Organization, MM Society, BUOU MAEM Class Organization, MLGM Organization, BUOU EDD ELM Society, MA Soxted Organization. The unit likewise conducts BUOU Online Kapihan. The objective of this online kapihan is for students to be acquainted with pressing and present issues and problems in academic, psychological, and spiritual, to find solutions through guest experts, be updated with the current trends in Bicol University, be motivated in pursuing their studies, and be acquainted with their fellow students. In online kapihan, students can select the following menus: a cup of tea, FIC date, Frap, hangout sessions, Saturday with the Dean, smoothies, and Tech Talk. Students and faculty orientation